Hello friends, in this video we will be synthesizing 2,4,6-tribromoaniline by the bromination of aniline. For this experiment you will need 10 ml of aniline, 40 ml of glacial acetic acid and 8 ml of bromine. A 100 ml round bottom flask was attached on a clamp over a magnetic stirrer with a stirring bar inside. With continuous stirring, add 20 ml of glacial acetic acid to the flask. Now add 10 ml of aniline to the flask. Aniline dissolves in glacial acetic acid to form a uniform mixture. Now keep the flask aside. Next we prepare a mixture of bromine in glacial acetic acid. For that we place a 250 ml beaker on the magnetic stirrer with the stirring bar inside and add 20 ml of glacial acetic acid. Next, 8 ml of liquid bromine was carefully added to it. This dissolves the bromine in acetic acid. Glacial acetic acid is almost pure form of acetic acid without water. If water is present, bromine would react with water rather than with aniline. Also, acetic acid is used to polarize the bromine molecule. As you know, bromine molecule itself is a non-polar molecule which would otherwise do not react with aniline. Now set up the flask containing aniline in an ice bath with a separatory funnel on top. Bromine in acetic acid mixture was added to the separatory funnel, and with continuous stirring, the bromine acetic acid mixture was added drop-wise to the flask. The reaction that is occurring here is an electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, where 3 molecules of bromine combine with aniline and the amine group directs the bromine to 2 ortho positions and 1 to the para position, forming the 2,4,6-tribromo compound. The reaction is exothermic, therefore I used an ice bath just in case to prevent bromine vapors from escaping. Finally, we have the white precipitate of the crude product 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. It was then transferred to a 300 ml distilled water. This will help remove the side products and unreacted aniline and acetic acid. The precipitate was then vacuum filtered to obtain the crude product, which was then washed in the funnel itself with distilled water to remove the side products. The crude product was then recrystallized using 90% ethyl alcohol. The crystals obtained were fine needle shaped with white color. That's all in this video. Hope you have enjoyed my video. These are my Patreon supporters who are financially supporting me so that I am able to purchase new chemicals and equipment required for doing new videos. You can also support me via Patreon or PayPal. The links of both of them are given in the description. If you are new to the channel, do click the subscribe button and the bell button for notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.